Today, we are going to be replacing the high mount brake light on a 2017 Dodge Ram 1500. There are 2 screws holding the housing in place. So let's go ahead and remove the 2 screws. The best way to remove the housing is to pull up from the bottom. As you can see, there are 3 bulbs total. The 2 bulbs located on each side are the truck bed lights, and the center bulb is for the high mount brake light. First, we will start by moving the wiring harness connection. Twist the bulb counterclockwise to remove the bulb from the housing. Now we will pull the bulb out of the socket. Here, we have our ALA lighting strobe brake light bulb, which we will be installing in place of the stock halogen light bulb. As you can see, there are a total of 48 chips on this LED bulb, which is very bright. Next, you'll want to insert the LED bulb into the socket. Looking at the bulb, you can see that one side is bigger and one side is smaller. You'll want to match the tabs before inserting the bulb. You will then want to insert the bulb into the housing and twist clockwise to secure the bulb in place. Last but not least, you'll want to put the housing back in place and reinstall the 2 screws.